Hi guys, this is Tanakasan.shop again with you today, and we do another unboxing today. This is a Fantom G6, Roland Fantom G6. Well, I know this is a keyboard, but I picked it for unboxing just because of its case. So I don't know what's inside really and how it looks. Okay. So very nice, right? Very nice looking aluminum case. Pretty heavy though. So okay, let's open it up. Yeah, it looks like a small coffin too. Ooh! Ooh! Holy moly! This is a very nice thing though. It's like aluminum. Mac. All aluminum body. Well, actually I've searched in the net, and this one is a pretty powerful thing, and expensive by the way too. So it has a big LCD screen, an advanced processor inside, 61 key. It says in the net it has a very nice feeling when you play and stuff like that. We bought it on a Yahoo auction, and it was pretty cheap. I mean, because used stuff in Japan, they're pretty cheap. It doesn't look used at all, almost like new. By the way, where do we ship it? Bali? Bali. Good for you going to the Bali nowadays.
Japan Post Office. We have a package for you.
Hey guys!
Oh, it's you! Where have you been?
Oh guys, don't be mad! I've been to Bali! Yeah! But I found out so many clients, and they all gonna buy big boxes now. So we all gonna go to Bali soon! Woohoo!